Wow. 1933 Buick Street Rod. Look at this thing. The paint is like red candy. It looks like dark red chrome is what it looks like. Rare body style. It's a genuine 33 Buick. It's not a fiberglass kit car. It's the Victoria Humpback Sedan. And I'm telling you what, I drove this car like brand new. Go to volocars.com where you can find a few hundred collector cars for sale. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I actually did take this car for a spin. I took it to my granddaughter's birthday party, and I'm telling you, it drove as close to a new car as you'll find. And it's a 33 Buick. I know they made all the upgrades, has a ramjet motor, all new suspension, but the thing really came together right. Handled, steered, performed beautifully. Had cold air blowing on me. So the body's amazing. Just take a minute to look at the beautiful body style. It's like a gangster car. And this is what's neat about it. It's a two-door sedan. It's got the short back window with the humpback trunk. That's the Victoria rear-mounted tire. And we have pictures. There's a photo album of the restoration. This thing taken all apart, stripped down. They did an incredible job. There's not a professional shop in the area here that would do this paint job for 50 grand. This nice. I mean, this is incredible. It's absolutely straight. It's got the indentations up here on the roof. I think originally would have been a vinyl insert, so it has those marks, or not marks, but it has the indentations, and all the fit and finish is amazing. Absolutely straight. There's no signs of shrinkage or rust or damage. And it's laser straight, lines up beautifully. It has a little vents that open on the hood. Just beautiful design, the cowl and the color again. It's like it's a chrome. It doesn't look like paint. It looks like red metallic chrome. It's just that vibrant and beautiful. The metal flake is laid out evenly. It's all the same color. And again, it's polished. It's just smooth and glossy. So all the glass looks like it was replaced, has a nice soft tint. These wing windows and these here, they both open. And then the little bit of chrome is replaced. You know, tail lights, bumpers. Has the original style wheels are restored, painted to match with new trim, Michelin tires. The original style rubber covering on the running boards. Yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. Killer car. There's a tire in the back. That's a spare tire. Back then, roads weren't paved. They had to carry spare tires with because you used them. Yeah, dual tail lights. So now why don't we open it up? Show you the inside of the car. The interior is very classy as well. Beautiful door panels, custom made, original style hardware. The metal trim is painted as slick as the car, like the dash. Look how the AC vents are built in so neatly. It has a nice set of gauges, nice and subtle, even a little mini tachometer. Only 1,944 miles since it was built. Has a matching clock over here on this side. Vintage air controls, modern stereo. Nice carpet down on the floor. Very comfortable bucket seats. The driver's side is power. And it does have a full back seat, all upholstered. The entire inside of the cabin is upholstered. The roof is a cloth headliner. It has speakers hidden behind the side panels. A genuine wood rim on a banjo-type spoke steering wheel and a tilt column. It's roomy and comfortable in here as well. So the motor is a crate engine from Chevrolet. It's a GM 350 ramjet motor. The ramjet is fuel injection up on top that resembles the vintage fuel injection from the 60s, but it's all modern, and it's dressed up with some nice aluminum valve covers and matching plug wire holders. The front of the engine has the serpentine belt with billet pulleys and chrome alternator and power steering. It's got an aluminum radiator, electric fan, and an overflow, keep the engine cool. It also has a chrome AC compressor to keep the passengers cool. Obviously a set of headers, HEI ignition system. So underneath, this car is all done up and upgraded. The body was off the frame. It's a new, I think it's a Heights front end, the independent suspension with the polished tubular control arms, adjustable coilover shocks, rack and pinion steering. It's a 4-link setup in back with tubular control arms, coilover adjustable shocks, and everything else was replaced. The fuel system, upgraded brakes, they're disc brakes. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The transmission is an overdrive automatic transmission. You know, it'd be really cool if the new owners of this car got dressed the part. I could see the guy wearing the gangster outfit and the lady wearing the flapper dress. That would just make for some really, really cool pictures. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Also go to volocars.com where we have a few hundred classic cars for sale. Thanks for watching.